This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, well, my headphones aren't working. Let me just confirm that. Yep, I don't hear nothing. I'm flying blind. I don't know. Maybe the connection came out. I'll check it later. I'm behind schedule. The market's been open for 2 minutes. I haven't even connected yet. I'm getting there. Connecting my top step, connecting my apex. Let's get gold open. Put the clock in the right place. There we go. Is that the right place? We'll check. Strategies. What strategies do I want to load? I don't want to load you. We're going to be tracking the 15-minute ORB. So far, really no range at all. Wow, look at that. 21,407 to 35. Not even 30 points in the first 4 minutes. That's pretty sad. Ouch, that hurts. Wow, gold looked pretty crappy too. Had a little bit of a dump there, but now it's just trading sideways. Let's take a look. Since 907. Okay, well, maybe we'll see an increase of volatility. Every night at 12. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to look at the 15-minute chart. We took out the Asia session lows during the London session. The London session is the blue box. We're below VWAP. We're below the previous day's close. We're near the London session lows, and we're very far away from previous day's low. I'd like to put in the value area high and low, but anyways, we'll see what this brings us. Okay, let's connect. Hey, there goes gold. I can see out of the corner of my eye. Let's connect up Bulenox. I would have liked to have Bulenox on the. Oh, missed a decent short trade. Oh, my Apex copier won't work. Okay, that's okay. We'll just trade one at a time. Let's trade the one that's red and see what we can do with that. Okay, we gotta wait for good trades. That's the deal. Let's get down to 01. 01 bid. Looks like you want to go. Did we get there? 05. Gold, I can get a trade in gold, potentially. You know what I find funny? I'm not getting that trade copier message on my other screen. That's odd. You know what? I don't have. I don't have a gold chart. Duplicate new tab. What is gold? Gold was 10, right? 10 Renko. And it is MGC. What month? What month are we dealing with? That's funny. Gold took a trade. Lost. While I setting up my screen over here. Let's make that a 10. Okay. Trade copy. I don't really need the trade copier in my face, but I do want to be able to take gold trades. Let me see if they look the same. Yeah, relatively equal. Good enough. Okay, no trade copier. Let's just trade those Apex accounts. Let's do some scalping, the kind of scalping where we really don't get hurt. Get better prices on the entry. Fight for price. Keep your stops tight. And if you do that, the day works out all right. That's our motto. Nobody gets hurt. Or at least I don't. Yeah, 4 lot is good. I'll do a 4 lot. Sorry I was late, guys. I was working on some stuff and I didn't even see the time go by. Enster, you're a new visitor. You still around? If you are, introduce yourself. My name is Mike. My name is Mike. Wasn't there a song like that? Something, not my name is Mike, but my name is something. I live on the second floor. I think it was my name is Luca. Maybe it was Luba. Oh. Come on, get a better price. No. Come on, give me a better price than 20. 16, 15, 14, 13. Okay. That was our first quick scalp. Let's see, gold push higher, very nice. I would like to be using my trade copier, but unfortunately it is out of commission. It needs to be updated, and I don't know why I can't use it just because it needs to be updated, but it's not me that coded it. Let's not forget about the 15-minute ORB. Watching it closely. But you know what? We don't have to pay that close attention to it because the rules are the 5-minute. It's the 5-minute chart that has to. The 5-minute candle has to close outside. Do I have it up over here? So that would be the first time we're going to look is we're going to see 950. That's the first time we're concerned with it. So I'm bearish, as I said in the beginning. This line here is irrelevant. We don't need it. What do you guys see? Oh, you guys, okay, that's cool. Yeah, I have a bearish bias right now. Like I said, we're below VWAP, we're below previous day's close. And we did sweep the London session lows, looks like. What about ES? ES didn't. ES today is relatively stronger. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. Oh, we have a trade. Okay, it's short at 06. I'm short at 10, so 4 points better. I'm good at that. 13 I'll add. 12, 13. Around 20, I think, is my exit. Come on, let's get down under 6. Let's get down under 6. Get rid of some of my ad. Just some careful scalping. If we can get down to 01 bid, no, you're going in the wrong way. If we can get down to 01 bid, I'll get out of another 2 lot. And my stop is at, hold on, I got to calculate that. It's around 20. Why I say around 20 is because I don't put them in manually. I work them myself. But I'm getting ready. It looks like we're going to stop out. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Getting back down there. I like it get down, so I'll cover another 2-piece because it didn't work out so well. It's struggling. I got a long in gold at 32.45.10. That's in my Bulenox account. We'll see how that one does. No, you know what? I'm going to take another little piece out. I'll take, oh, it's just a 2 micro. Okay, I'm out. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What do I got here? I got a 2 lot. I'll take a 1 lot out. That's good. So I've turned the account green. I'm going to let gold run. We'll see how far we can get gold to go. Last night I hit an $80 gold run. It looks pretty quiet now. Let me just go check what the ATR is. Wow, 4 points. How is that possible? $4 average range in gold? Is this a 6 minute? Come on. 6 minutes. Yeah, 6 minutes, six candles. That is surprising. Let's go back to NQ because I have a position. I'm watching gold. Gold might stop me out. We're about $1 away. Okay, I'm gonna hold my. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna hold my gold. And 50, 84. I'll take that. You can fill me on the NQ. Very good. Now just watching gold. Too bad. Too bad. Oh, nice pop on gold. Sell the last one. $30. Close. That's a $3 gain. So how am I doing on my? Oh, that's it. Net 100. Okay, 100's better than nothing. They still young. Hey, didn't I set up my copier for NQ? Why didn't it work? Oh, I didn't trade NQ. I traded gold. Stupid me. Okay, let's just get onto the positions tab. And we are looking for another short trade in NQ. Got in at 71, right? 71, 68, 67, 66, 5 points. I'll take 5 points on my first piece. I'll take 10 points on another piece at 61, 73. So I'll take 63. 63 bid, but it should go down to 65. It should go down to 64 bid. That's for sure. Well, not for sure. Nothing's for sure. There's a good chance it'll go down to 64 bid. 70% chance. Let's go. 70% chance, 64 bid. Dump it. Going the wrong way. Let's make a new US session low. I don't like it. Getting out a small piece. Looks like it may be holding over here. Going to trade sideways. Let's see. 72, 73. Every time we get to the low 70s, it's popping. So I'm just holding on one lot. Still watching for gold to get back in gold. Now if we go to 60, 64, whatever, I'll take my last piece out. 67. Come on, give it a push. Push. 65, 64. I got 62. Very good. I don't even know which count I'm trading. But they're my losses. The green. And all the while doing it without taking risk. That's the most important thing. I mean, taking risk, but small risk. Okay, ES, I see broke the oh shit, I missed the ORB at 950. I gotta set an alarm. I'm gonna do that right now. Where is it? Where are my alarms? Doom 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 doom. Nope 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 nope. Can't find it, but I need an alarm. Keep forgetting. What did we go down? Let's say it was 72, 60, 12. Oh, it didn't take profit yet. Look at that. Didn't even remember my wow, gold's getting up to the previous day's high. That would be pretty bullish if we can get above that. Let me just go back here. Gonna add an EMA, make it white. I want to use the EMA for a stop on the ORB trade. Which looks, but do you base it on the 5 minute chart? Yeah, you got to base it on the 5 minute chart, eh? Not the 1 minute chart. So this is the wrong chart to have it on. What about gold? Is this something? Yeah, that's a 5 minute chart, no wonder. Okay, so we take it off. Wrong chart to have it on. Remove. Wow, the opening range was so small though, eh? Look how we broke through it. No surprise we broke through it hard like that. It was such a tiny range. My bias, I think, just switched to long. Not I think it did. Unfortunately, the higher time frame charts are still short bias, but barely. Barely. In another 2024, another 8 points, and the higher time frame also switches bullish. EMA 12. I guess we'll keep it blue. But even on, look at that, even on the range was about 16. Did we go down 16? 73, 57. Yeah, we went down 16, so it took profit if it was using an ATR. Gold's trying to push a little higher. Show some strength. Maybe I'll get the Bulenox charts. Today I was disorganized again because I was working on things, but I'm going to try and be able to take the gold trades on, shit, missed the dollar that move. Order submitted. Whoa, that's loud. Okay, push up gold. Go, 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 go. Yeah. No, don't go down. Don't go down. Don't take away my earnings. I just did my first trade copy on that account there. There we go. Got out some of my exposure. Come on, push higher by $1. Push higher by $1. Let me see what gold looks like over here. Come on, guys, we're breaking higher. We want to get over that previous day's high. Okay, it's working. The copier is working. That's good. Very good, very good. Let's see. Okay, there was a net loser that trade, but now it's back in another trade. Hopefully this one goes up $1, $2, $3. Let's go, let's go. I'll get out pieces. Push higher, $1. I'm watching NQ. Good, good watching. Go, go, go. Come on, get up. There you go. Right up to the, no. There we go. Got me out. Is it the right size? 1-3. Yep. Now let's see if we can break above the previous day's high. Yes, there should be stops there. That's what I knew. I said there's going to be stops there and it's going to pop, and it popped $2. That was a beautiful trade. I think I'm done for the day. 172 and 237 just on that trade in gold. That was nice. That was nice. Should have held one. Maybe I got up too early. Henster. Henster took off. Where did Henster go? Okay, I'll take a break a little bit. Go see what's happening in the world of oh shit. I don't have headphones. I can't hear. No. Why are my headphones not working? How does that even happen? Hold on, hold on, hold on. I think I There we go. I'm back in business. I didn't even think about it. Yeah. My dial was off. Shouldn't I be watching gold here? Look at that moving gold, eh? Look at that moving gold. And yes, I caught it. Let me get up screen two. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to organize these things alphabetically. There you go. Look at that moving gold. Wow, it's really going. Woo! Did I give up a lot of money by getting out early? Or just getting out on that pop? You know what's too often they take out the stops and then they reverse. So I was nervous, but I'm gonna try and get a better price at 85 has to hit. There it is. Let me see. Ooh, 88. That was good. Did I get? I got 86. 86 is not better. 91 is better. Don't want to lose on this trade. So come on, trade lower. Yes, I gotta have losers. I know, I understand that, but I'm not in the mood for one. I'm not in the mood for a loser yet. Come on, dump. Wow, that was a big dump. Trade copier just to make sure. Let me go to positions just to make sure. Yeah. Just to make sure. I don't want to be in. I don't want to be in a trade. Yesterday I got screwed with my trade copier. It had open orders. I didn't know. I clicked flat and all. I should have been out of all my trades. He's so funny. So what are we looking at? Gold might go long again. Do I take another one in gold? How about a small one? That's the gold chart. How about just the one lot? If it goes long, well, I'm still watching NQ for a short. Gold, I'm using the Renkos. You can see them on the bottom there. There was two really nice trades. One right there and one right there. I got this one. I got this one, but I took profit about here. It really popped. There were stops in there. But look how much I gave back. I gave up $11. It's not gonna bother me today, but I mean I'm doing good. I'm green everywhere, so I'm long gold again. Nice. Got $1.20, $1.40. Let me go to positions. Flatten all because it was holding me in the position. It's too bad. I would have wanted to take the ORB trade today. What did I get in that gold? I got some. Go back to positions. I'm watching for a long now on my charts. Sorry, not a long, a short in NQ. And gold's tearing up again. Shit, damn. Again, I took way too little out of gold. Way too little out of gold. I need a coach on teaching me how to hold better. Anybody want to volunteer? The wee wop. That's funny. Well, I guess you can't maximize what? I guess you can't maximize them all, eh? It's too bad because I really crushed it on gold. I just didn't hold it good enough. No. Oh, it's long again. Long again. Come on, go $1 more. $1 more. Got my finger on the close button. This one looks like it's gonna cost me money. Okay, cost me money. NQ, short term, bullish, higher time frame, bearish. They're not in agreement. What do I do? Well, the good news is everything is back in agreement. Everything is back short. Happy with that. Okay, we've gotten to 10 o'clock. Gold is volatile for only a certain amount of time. I'm not going to watch gold anymore. We're done with gold. I'm closing my gold charts. That was fun. Did good. NQ, is that NQ? Let's get on to NQ. NQ is tumbling. Come on, keep pushing. Let's get a retrace. And then a continuation move. Let's get under 71 bid. Come on, under 71 bid. Under 71 bid. Push it lower. Watching it closely. If we start trading lower, we get down to 85, 81. Sorry for the calculations out loud. 71 on the offer, and it holds. Then I'm going to try to get, once that happens, I'm going to try to get a better price around 74. If I can get that. I mean, markets are showing some weakness. I'm not convinced that we're going to have any heavy selling because we look at the daily. I don't want to get distracted. Did I just not accidentally click? Getting close to entering in on a trade. Gotta pay attention. That's one of the things that's been hurting me. I've been looking around at too many places, missing trades. Going back up slowly, just a little bit. Interesting. 85. Coffee's good. What does it want to do? Getting over 85 again, eh? Okay, I can take my hand off the mouse. Because I am waiting for a short trade. You know what? It feels good not to be looking at gold because Gold is stressful to trade. I mean, any trading is a little stressful, but gold is stressful to trade. Just looking for a short. Okay, we're short at 78. I'm going to try and get a better price in the 80s. 79, 78, 78, 77, 80. I'll take 79. It's not going. Plus 83. What's that going to give me? See, what I'm doing is I'm over leveraging on this one trade. Not on all of them. That's not being consistent. That's not being consistent. Yeah, I'm taking short. Really? How you doing poorly on that? Everything's been going down. Bad timing, maybe? 78, 85 is where I'll add. 85 is a good add. 83, you know what? No, I'm not going to add an 85 because I have an average price of 83 already. So it's too close, and this one's not really performing well. I want to get under 7. Actually, I want to see 71 bid. 71 bid. There's a 70% chance we see 71 bid before we see 92. Doesn't mean it won't happen. 92 can come. We're so close. And there's the 92. Get out. Took a loss on that one. Oh well. Can't win them all. It was exciting though. Not the last one. Last one sucked, but in general, it's going good. I don't know if you hear me. Too many things, watching too many trades, watching too many setups. You are right. You are right. I do agree. I'm working on keeping my sights top and getting a little bit better price on entries. We didn't get to put it up today. I was behind schedule. I wanted to get that on. I wanted to get that on my charts today. A little, it is, yeah, maybe. When I look at the 1 minute chart, I see what you're saying. But I got for the way I trade, I got continuation on my trades. 17-point range on the 1 minute chart. Wow, 7 points in gold on the 1 minute chart. That's insane. That's insane. Go be a roofer. There's no other option. It's that a roofer. Gonna tell that to my kids. Ah, nice. Mm, wondering how they're in the sun, eh? Mm. Guys, I'm just waiting on a uh kind of looking for a long trade, but I want to get a bit of a retrace. Yeah. Mm, yeah. I agree. We're talking about roofers. How they work in the heat. Omnius is in Florida saying that it's 100 degrees hot, humid, and they're up on the roof all day under that burning sun. No cover, no shade. Mm. Holy shit. That's crazy. Come on, push up, push up, push up. I'm gonna have to get out if I don't. I'll just take that. Whatever it gives me. Whatever it gives me, I'm crushing it in Bulenox. Looks like it's gonna go red there, which means it's gonna give me an entry soon. So that's good. I wanted it to go down a little bit. Ah, don't be negative. So still looking for long. Still looking for long. Getting ready, getting ready, getting ready, getting ready. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Uh, I guess I'm gonna take a long. Guess I'm gonna take a long. It's got to get to 99. Oh, let me do the math in my head. 99, 99, 06, 16. It's got to get the 16 bid for me to get in the markets. Getting up there, getting up there. When I say 16 bid, I think. And then I got to try and get a better price. So we have two conditions. One, we got to get up there, and then we got to get a better price. Looks like it wants to go, but you know what? Often when it looks like it wants to go, then it just tanks. Getting ready, trying it. Oh, there we go, there we go. 13. It was 13. I made a mistake. 12. I'll take 12. Hopefully it'll go. Let's go to 19. 19, 15, 15, 16, 16. Come on, 17, 17. Give me 18. Give me 18. 11. What was that dump from 17 down to 11? Now we got to fight our way back up again. I'm in for a 4 lot, so it won't be damaging. I still don't want to lose. I hate losing. But it's part of the game. 06, gotta add. Gotta add. It's part of the system. Now if we can get up to 13, I'll take out my ad. I'm watching it. 7, 8. Maybe even I'll get out and just improve my average price. If I have one losing account, 6. 5, 4, 3. I'm running out of room here. 2, 1, 4. Come on, pop up higher. 7. Let me take a piece off. You know what? Take a piece off, less risk. And if it pops up to whatever, I'll just I'll bail on it, and then I'll come back to the next trade. No, that's it. Took me out. Took me out. That's what it looks like. It looks like you got it. There you go. I said, you got it. I got outplayed. That's okay. That's okay. Loss was small. On to the next trade. Now everything is short. What did I say there? I said have to get down to 21,380. Well, we didn't. We got down to 21,385. That was enough. That's a little bit of a pullback. That's all I need. If we can get down to 85 again, I will go short. I want to get in early, but every time I get in early, I pay the price. It's never mathematically correct to get in early for me. I've tracked that. Even though it works sometimes. Especially if you're only getting in early by 1 or 2 points. You know, that's your gain, really. That's the benefit. And your risk, if it ends up popping against you 6, 8 points, you just took an inverted trade. You risked 4 times your potential gain because you were going to get in anyways, 2 points lower, if you know what I mean, or 2 points higher, whatever. You were just saving 2 points. If you're getting in early for a lot more, like here, if I get in early now, I'm saving 10. Oh my God, so often. You're talking just before the minute ends? Yeah, that's insane. That's a behavior you can count on. That's a behavior you can bank on. Okay, good I didn't get in early. Went back up. What? May no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. I have the time. I have the time up. Hold on. 31:19 and it's 31:24. 5 seconds. You know what the little trick is? Right beside your volume. Put your mouse, your cursor on the volume button, and to the right of that, it says live. Click on that, and that'll bring you up to date. You're just not up to date. You're in like it's like you're in the middle of the stream, if you know what I mean. I don't have that. Yeah, no. All I have is stable vol. Yeah, I see it. See it in the screen. Well, you're not talking to one that says playback speed, sleep timer, quality, annotations, right beside the CC. Oh wait, I'm gonna get a short. Oh, right click it. Right. Hold on, I have a trade. I want to try and get in. Wood chip. Easy trading today. Yeah, not bad. Wood chip. Short 85. Yeah, okay. Let me wait. I'm just in a trade here. Come on, dump, dump. I overexposed myself. Why am I doing that again? That's when I pay the price. Let's get down to 80 bid. 80 bid, 87, 86, 85. I take a piece out. I've been doing 4 lots all day today. I'm going to stick with that. Okay, there we go. See, now that I got down to a 4 lot, it's going to tank. It won't go. It won't go if I oversize. If I oversize, it's going to make me pay the price. I'll go check that latency thing. I'm curious to see what that is. Let me just take out another piece. Let me get up to another whatever here. Going against me. This is my add point. Since I only have a 2 lot, I will definitely add and stop out at 99 if it goes. I feel like giving it more room, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to. Takes me out, it takes me out. There will be another trade in 5 minutes. Come on, didn't go. Let's go back down. Sell it. Sell it, you buggers. Push it lower. Let's get under 85. I'm short at 90. Let's get down to 85. 94, 95. What did I say? 99 is where I have to get out at. 88, 99. 99, 99 on the bid holds. I have to get out. We're so close to stopping me out. Okay, that's it. Got to get out. So what? Okay, not so bad. Not so bad. Let's go see what. Right click on it. I didn't even know you can right click on that. Look at that. Stats for nerds. Yeah, 1.7 seconds for you. What did you see? You said 2 minutes, no? Ah, I understood. 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay. No, I understood 2 minutes. I said, fuck, you're behind. No, just click that live button. Okay, it's all good. Stats for nerds. What else is there? Troubleshoot, copy, debug info. Wow, I never even knew you can right click on that gear. Look at that. You learn something new every day. How you doing, Woodchip? I have a Bulenox loss. I didn't even know. What is going on? Thought I was doing better than that. Okay, we'll get them all green. We'll get them all. No trades, really? Five, zero. I want to check something. Hey, Jimmy. How's it going, Jimmy? I got to check something. My numbers aren't matching. I got to open up Bulenox on the other computer and see why they're not matching. James. Oh, hold on. You know what? Let me just talk to David. I didn't even ask him. I forgot. Dave, can you hear me? Do you need the car today, or I can go for? I can leave at 11:30. I can't hear you. All good? Yep. Okay, James. I don't know if you heard. All good. So I'll be able to get you at around 11:45. I'll beat your place. So be downstairs. What chip? I took 2 trades in London session, only $50. And action was crap, kind of like today. I'm uninspired to engage. Mm, well, I'll tell you what happened to me. I got in really late, 9:30. I think I started. Uh, yeah, so be downstairs at 11:45, James. 9:30. I started streaming, maybe even 9:32. And then I've been scrambling. I wanted to get my trade copier up, but it says it's not working. It needs to be updated. So I'm doing it manually, one by one. And really, I'm just trading one Apex account now and trying to get that to green. I mean, it was green. It took a couple of losses. That's funny. Exactly what happened to him. Okay, well, I'm back to long bias, guys. Went from long to short to long. You know what? Let's see what the algo's doing. I stopped following my algo. It got hit so bad. I got pissed off. Actually, you know what? It looks like it's losing again. I don't know. It's strange. The market dynamics, market behavior changed. The algo was doing so well. Anyways, no big deal. Not the end of the world. What's important is that I trade well. That's all that matters. Enter, or at least fight for price. Try to get a better price. Wait for the setups. That's something that I stopped to do last week. I wasn't waiting for the setups anymore. I was inventing my own trades. Like I was some kind of market magician. I was feeling overconfident last week. So we broke over the IB high, but we didn't, even on the 1 minute, we didn't close above it. Another 40 minutes, I guess. Yeah, we didn't even close above it yet on the 1 minute. So we either, there's the close. There's the close above. There's the rejection. I can finally calm down. No good, no good, no good, no good. Yeah, no, we haven't had much of a trend. A little bit of a trend. I'm just looking over here for myself. It's 932, maybe 950. But after that, that's it. Gotten back inside IB high. Are we gonna get back above it? I think we are. I don't I don't know. But you know what? I don't wanna trade based on what I think. $35, 34. Let's see IB high. I got VWAP there too, so if it fails and breaks through VWAP, it's probably going to take a decent little tumble. But I still feel like it's going to close above IB high again. Come on, push. There's a little bit of a battle in between the two of them. Getting tired already. That's funny. It's almost like I've been doing too much thinking today during my trading. There's the initial balance. I get tired. That means I'm thinking instead of just following my signals. I'm trying to outsmart my system. Not good. Not supposed to think. Just supposed to watch. Let the setup come to me. Find it. Identify it. It's pretty easy since I've coded so many things to identify them. So it looks like we're going to get above and close above IB high again. There you go. Mm. It look like on the daily. Daily looks like it's consolidating. $48. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. I bet it looks bullish. Eh, I can't say it's bullish. The reason is that we never broke the Asia session highs. And we have we have a lot of obstacles to run. We got the previous day's close, previous day's high, London highs. Markets are going to have to get pretty heated up to break through all that. Doesn't mean it can't happen. 48, 41. What is IB high at? I don't even know. I should take a look. Around there. Getting back inside again, the initial balance range, even though the 5-minute closed outside. It's going to be one of those types of trades. You know what else I find tires me out? Stress. When I'm stressed over whether a trade's going to win or lose, if I start trading impulsively, I'm concerned whether or not I win or lose. What the fuck? Every time I trade, and it's never. What, Chip? You're complaining about the song that I play every night at 12? I'm just playing a song. The words are, I am the dance floor, I am the floor. It's not a bad song, though. It's not a bad song, but the words are funny. Yeah, I am the dance floor, I am the floor. Ah, no, I got it wrong. She's not saying I am the dance floor. She said I've got my eye on the dance floor. Eye on the door. Okay, I thought it was I am. My mistake again. I didn't hear the whole chorus the first time. Who are you using for your music service? Licked? Yeah. Or no, I think I asked you. I think you said you're using the YouTube. Okay, okay. And then, is he still alive? No, I'm serious. Is he Ozzy Osbourne? Yeah, he's still alive. Well, I wonder how old he is. I'm gonna Google that. No kidding. It's got to be close to 80. No kidding. How old is Ozzy Osbourne? I said close to 80. Let's see. He was born in 1948. He's 76 years old. Isn't that fucking amazing? Like my dad died at 80. And then I put that and I start to imagine put him on stage and act like a rocker. It would be so strange. 76 and they still go up on stage, Queen. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah. Mm, mm. Okay, we got a bit of a dump there. We broke through VWAP. And obviously there were some stops there, I'm guessing, right under VWAP. I got my eye on the VWAP. My eye on the WAP. I don't feel like trading. No, you can't. You can't. You can't. You can't. You can't. You can't. You get a copyright strike. No, you can't. You can't. I played a 3 second clip from the. Yeah, I played 3 seconds from the Flintstones, and it got flagged. You know the cartoon, the Flintstones? I played like a little bit, like part. Yeah, uh, it's all computers now. They can identify the song immediately, and my kids have an app. I don't know which one it is when they want to know what the song is. I was going to ask you about that because I was playing music from Discord, and I got a copyright notice. It said copyright restriction, but they're not requiring you to take it down. So I said, you know what? I'm not gonna play music, even if I get a copyright restriction. I don't know how that affects my YouTube channel. Maybe after you get 100 copyright restrictions, they close your account, even though you're supposed to be able to use the music. So if I see anything like that, I just stop it right away. Okay, I'm gonna get a long trade here. I'm gonna try and take it, and I think this will be my last trade if I get in. And then I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day early. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, that's it. There's also I remember reading there's the website. There's the website Artlist and Epidemic, I think. Also, both those websites. Yeah, that's how they work. You have to put it in the description. Yeah. $34. So we're trading below the IB high and above VWAP. At VWAP, the break below VWAP was really just a seek and destroy move, in my opinion. Went down to 30, all the way down to like 12, shot right back up instantly. It's getting quiet. Oh, no wonder. 10-point range. That's terrible. That's really stinky. That's already like, that's an alert. Be alert. Volatility is very low. Under 7, it's not even worth trading. At least for me, not during the US session. Hey, we got below VWAP again. Anybody new in the channel, subscribe. Appreciate the support. And just as a side note, Bulenox 91% off till May 30th. Use code FLOOR. Any support is always appreciated. And Apex's sale is ending tonight, I think. And the new one is starting tomorrow. You know, the only reason why I think they put a timer on their sale is because it's for new people to make them feel like they gotta act. Oh no, the sale's gonna end in 2 days. When is it ending anyways? Let me go look. Click, click. Apex in 12 hours. Wow, look at that. Look at that tumble, eh? We just got back under the bands. We are short bias. Late. Yeah, late's no good. Huh. Okay, come on, let's get one more short entry. Let the trade work. Big wick under that previous candle there. I don't know what you guys call that, the Thor's hammer or whatever. But we do have a lower swing high. That's kind of bearish. Let's have some coffee. Would you say most of your accounts are 50K? Uh, I'm not in the year. You know what? I'll take a 2 lot here. Not a 12. 12's not a bad price. I got 13.50, even better. And if we get down to 04, I'll add. Come on, get down to 04. What I'm doing is I'm trading the Renko. I don't want to get a third bar. I'm trading the second one. But only taking a 2 lot. Only taking a 2 lot. Not sure I'm going to stop out if it. Not sure I'm going to stop out if it makes one candle. The third candle. I think I'm going to wait for the fourth candle. Geez, and then we're You see what's going to happen. Then I'm going to say, oh, but then there's VWAP. It's going to get above VWAP. We're going to go to here. And then I'm going to say, we're a little bit above VWAP. Let's go one more. No, I'm getting out. The trade was the trade. If it doesn't go, I get out. And if it stops me out, and then I'll look for a new entry, wherever the entry is. Because you know what? We don't know what the market's going to do. And already, just the fact that I started to make poor decisions. You know what I'd like to see? I'd like to see us on the 1 minute chart break the low of the previous candle. We got 30 seconds to do it. Come on, push lower. That'll get me encouraged. $13 points. There we go. Come on, 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 come on. Nope, not yet. Well, I lowered my size. Mostly because I didn't like the way I was analyzing my trade management. I was starting to move my mental stop from where it really should be. When I got into this trade, let me see, I'll tell you what the stop is. 12.75. The stop was 21. 21.421. Then I started to push it all the way up to Jesus, like almost another 30 points. And that concerned me. So I said, the hell with it. That's the wrong way to think. I already know that. Okay, got out. If I can get back in again at 13, I'll try it. Same numbers hold. $21 would be the stop. There, I actually put it in. You never know. It might just do some kind of freaky spike, get me in, and then go right back down. On the other hand, it also might do some kind of freaky spike and shoot up 40 points. I got stuck in those also. That's why I don't like to have limit orders. Taking it out. I'm taking out my magenta limit order. Have you heard my stream's ending song? I did. I don't know if you changed it. I didn't listen to it that carefully, but yeah, no, I did hear it. It sounded, if I remember correctly, a little similar to the opening song. Again, kind of like a Western theme, if I remember correctly. But I could be mistaken. I could be mistaken. Hmm. And now that you mentioned that, I don't know what site you're using for to create your music. Let me open that up for you. I'll tell you what I used to use. I used to use Suno. And I liked it. Suno was good, but then I found Riffusion, Rifffusion, Riffusion, and I liked it a lot. I found the quality of the music was better. Did I miss my trade at 13 again? 12. I'll take 13.50. You see, if I would have had the offer, I'd be in. There we go. 13. Anyways, stop is 21, whatever it is. If it goes, it goes. Actually, we broke the high of the previous candle. I'm not too encouraged by that. Saw that now. So a one lot is enough. 11:09. I have 10 minutes left. And I'm off. You're going? How much time do I have? When are you leaving? Like not in a minute? Who knows what I use? I'm going to try what you said. Yeah. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, I'm going to make it a quick exit over here. Streaming with Joker, 8 p.m. And tomorrow morning, it was a fun day. All green. I don't think I have any red. Gotta go. Want to go say goodbye to my daughter. So, see you tomorrow.